Okay, now we see this problem. Uh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G are traveling in three different cars. There are at least two passengers in each car and only one of them is male. Okay, that means there are three males and four females, and in one car there are two-person, in a second car there are two-person, in the third car there are three persons, right? Now the three cars are Maruti, Hyundai and Alto. Out of these seven people there are two engineers, two doctors and three teachers. Okay, so some more information is given over here and we have to identify who is who, right? Who is doctor, who is engineer and who is teacher. Okay, so let's do this problem. Now okay, we have three cars, so I just write down the name: car 1, car 2. We don't know the name of these car. Maybe this is Alto or Hyundai or Maruti. So I just write car 1, car 2 and car 3. Now we have already found that three of them are males and four are females, and there is just one male in each car. Now see a lady doctor and she does not travel with the pair sister A and F. Okay. B is a male engineer, travel with only G, a teacher in Maruti. Okay. So I consider this car as Maruti, and in this case B, and he is an engineer and male, and travel with only G, a teacher in Maruti. So G teacher, and it has to be female because in one car on there should only be one male, right? And now above all, there is only two persons in this car because B, a male engineer, travel with only G. That means only two persons are there in this car. Now next is D is a male doctor. So D, male doctor. Two persons belonging to same profession do not travel in the same vehicle. Okay, that means there are two doctors, so one doctor should be in car 2 and one doctor should be in car 3. Okay, because this car is already filled up. A is not an engineer and travels in Hyundai. So I assume this is Hyundai, and A travels in Hyundai. Then we come over here. C is a lady doctor and she does not travel with a pair of sisters A and F. That means A and F, both of them are over here because they cannot be over here. And the third car is Alto. Okay, yeah. Maruti, Hyundai and Alto. So I just write Alto over here and C is there. Now C, a doctor is there. That means D has to be here because both the doctors cannot be in the same car. Okay, and she is female. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 person. The seventh person is E and E has to be in this car. Okay. Now one engineer is there over here, and we have two engineers and we have a doctor over here. So one has to be engineer and one has to be teacher over here. Now A is not an engineer, that is given. So A has to be teacher and F has to be engineer, right? And we have three teachers. So one teacher, second teacher, that means E is also a teacher, right? And A and F, they are sisters. That means these two are females. So A is female and F is female. So we have four females, G, A, F and C. So G, A, F and C, these are females and remaining persons are males, and we got to know the profession of them also, and who is in which car, that also we found, right? So now you can solve all the question based on this given information. I hope this is clear, and this is really a simple problem. Now we see this problem. 8 persons F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M are sitting around a rectangular table. facing the center, in which 4 are sitting on the corner and 4 are in the middle of the sides. Now see, 4 people are sitting on the corner and 4 people are sitting in middle of the sides. So it really doesn't matter whether you make the arrangement as rectangular or circular, right? So for simplicity, I have drawn circle over here. Okay, now all are like different colors: red, blue, green, white, yellow. Some 8 colors are there. Now we start the arrangement. F is sitting third to the right of I. Since all of them are facing center and F is sitting third to the right of I, so suppose I make F sit over here. So F is third to the right of I. That means I has to be here. Okay, and F is sitting third to the right of I and third to the left of K. So left of K, third, that means K has to be here. Okay, so this will be third to the left of K. The person who likes a red color is neighbor of J. The person who likes gray color is sitting second to the right of F. Okay, so right of F, second over here. So the person who likes gray, so this person likes gray. Okay, and second to the left of L. Now this person is second to the left of L. That means L has to be over here. Okay, green is the neighbor of gray. So green may be here and maybe here. Okay, but K likes pink color, so green has to be here and K likes pink color. Okay, green is the neighbor of gray. K likes pink color. Blue and brown color are not the neighbors of purple and pink. Okay, F likes purple color. So F, we write purple over here. I likes blue color. Blue color. G does not like green. And green, gray and brown color. So G does not like green, gray and brown color. That means G has to be somewhere here, either here or here. Okay, and M does not like green color. So G and M should be over here. M sits at the corner. Now blue and brown color are not neighbors of purple and pink. So I like blue color. So brown should be over here, because brown cannot be over here, because otherwise it will be neighbor of purple. So here it should be brown. This is blue and this is brown. Okay, and M does not like green color. And G does not like green, gray and brown color. So G, green, gray and brown. So G has to be over here. So G should be over here. Then the person red color is the neighbor of J. That means J and red color, they should be together. So we cannot have J and red color over here. So we have to have J over here and red over here. Okay. Now M does not like green color, so M has to be over here. Then the remaining color yellow over here, and green, the remaining person H over here. So we did the entire arrangement with their colors, so you can answer the questions very easily, I hope. Now one more circular arrangement problem. 8 people are there, 8 brothers are there. Raj, Rahul, Ram, Rocky, Ranveer, Radhe, Ravi, Rana are sitting around a circular table, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, now some people are facing towards the center and some people are facing outside the center. So we have to be very careful while making this arrangement, because left and right of the person who are facing center will be different from the persons who are facing outside the center. Okay, so just make the arrangement very carefully. First of all, we just try to find out the first arrangement over here. Okay, Ranveer is not the neighbor of Raj. Who is third to the right of Ram? We cannot make this arrangement because we do not know the direction. And who is immediate right of Rocky, who faces towards the center? Now we can make this arrangement because we know Rocky faces towards the center. So I arrange a Rocky over here. Okay, and he is facing towards the center. Now Raj, who is third to the right of Ram, who is immediate right of Rocky. So immediate right of Rocky when he is facing towards center will be over here. So Ram is over here, right? And then Raj, who is third to the right of Ram, who is immediate right of Rocky. Then we have neighbors of Rocky facing outside the center. That means Ram is facing outside the center and the person over here, that is also facing outside the center. Now Raj, who is third to the right of Ram, right? So when he is facing outside the center, his right will be this side. So 1, 2, 3, here is Raj. Okay. Then we have this condition, Rahul sits between Ranveer and Ravi. Okay, so we have Rahul, Ravi and Ranveer, this combination. Okay, then we have Radhe is third to the left of Rana. That means there are two people between Radhe and Rana. Okay, there are two people. Now looking at the present arrangement, if we have these three people to be together, then we have to choose either these 1, 2, 3 locations or 1, 2, 3 locations, right? And Radhe and Rana, we just have to have two persons between them, so we can have these two positions only. Okay, because we have to have these three together. So Radhe and Rana should be over here. I don't know who is over where, but Radhe and Rana, that will decide later on. So that means Ranveer, Rahul and this Ravi should be over here. Now Ranveer should not be neighbor of Raj. So Ranveer, then we have Rahul, and then we have Ravi. Okay, then we know that Rahul facing outside the center and his neighbors are facing towards the center. So Rahul outside the center, inside the center and inside the center. I mean towards the center. Now Radhe is third to the left of Rana, who faces towards the center. Now this person is facing outside the center, right? So he cannot be Rana, that means he can be Radhe and this can be Rana. Okay, and Radhe is third to the left of Rana, who faces towards center. So it is towards center, that is outside the center, and we have marked the position of all the persons with their directions, and remaining person faces outside the center, so Raj should face outside the center. Now it took around 2 to 3 minutes to make this arrangement. After that 5 questions can easily be answered. I hope that's clear to you.